Hi, Lindsay. Hi, Diamond. Hi, Bishop. Hi, Shania.
Morning.
Hello, Hannah. Hello, Deanna. Hi, Tamia. Welcome. Hello, Deanna. Hi, Zayden. Hi, Kayla. Welcome. Hi, Crystal.
I'm Shamar.
Hello. Hello, Anaya. Hi, Vonnie.
Hi, Mr. Weiss.
Hey. Hi, Victoria. Hi, Nakia.
Good morning, Mr. Weiss.
Good morning. Hello, Stalin. Hey, Donovan.
What's good, Weiss?
What's good? So you may happen to notice, or maybe not, that Kayla Winiger and Tamia Smith are joining us today. They are observing me. They are part of a class that, like a future teachers class. So they're, for some reason, they decided to watch what I'm doing. I don't know if that was the smartest move. Just kidding. Anyway, so they are in here to check out what's going on. Hello, Andrea. Good morning, Jaden Harris. All right. So what kind of shoes does a spy wear? Sneakers. I've been trying to make a sarcastic club, but it's been really hard to tell if people are interested in joining or not. And the Lord said unto John, come forth and you will receive eternal life. But John came fifth and he won a toaster. What do you call a fake noodle? An impasta. My wife accused me the other day of being too immature. I told her there were no girls allowed in my fort. Someone stole my mood ring yesterday. I still don't know how I feel about that. I tried to catch fog yesterday. Missed. Working in a mirror factory is something I can totally see myself doing. Morning, Leonard. Someone stole my Microsoft Office and they're going to pay. You have my word. What do you call a dog with no legs? Doesn't matter. He's not going to come anyway. That's mean, horrible. Man, Weiss, how can you tell a joke like that? All righty. Any exciting news for Friday? Any new college acceptances? Anything like that? I'd like to remind you that if you are interested in just working and you have an idea where you'd like to work, I will make a phone call to that place on your behalf and at least set you up with an interview. So you can let me know if that's something you'd be interested in. All right. So we are going to do one more item. Yes. You just have to tell me, Nakia, where you applied or where you're interested in working. I'll need you to do the application first. Once you do the application, I'll make a phone call. All right. Okay. we're going to continue with rational equations. You know, that word that sounds so hard, but really isn't. All right. Solving for x. So take a look here. All right. What is obviously annoying about this problem right off the get-go? All right. The old fraction, right? Who the heck wants to see a fraction at 7:40 in the morning? Nobody. I know. So let's get rid of the fraction. How the heck are we going to get rid of the fraction? Let me show you. Okay. I'm going to multiply this guy by 3, right? Because multiplying by 3 will get the 3's to cancel out, right? Right? But ladies and gentlemen of the jury, whatever you do to one term, you do to every term. Whatever you do to one term, you do to every term. Whatever you do to one term, you do to every term. So if I multiply this guy by 3, I got to multiply this guy by 3, as well as this guy by 3, right? So now what do I have? Well, I have 6x plus, the 3's canceled there, right? So I just have x equals 21, right? 6x plus x is 7x. 7x equals 21, divide by 7. And x equals 3, right? Not so painful, right? Same thing here, okay? I'm gonna do one more time, right? What's annoying? What's annoying is that fraction, right? So I'm gonna get rid of the fraction by doing what? By multiplying everything by 4, right? Multiply that by 4, multiply this by 4, multiply this by 4. Right? So what happens? Well, I get 12m plus m, right? Because those cancel out, right? Equals 52. 12m plus m is 13m. 13m equals 52. Divide by 13. M equals 4. Can I have a thumbs up, please, if you understand what I did there? Thumbs up. Thank you, Nakia. Hannah, ah, beautiful. Lindsay, Diamond, Bishop, Shania, thank you. Crystal, Giovanni, thank you. Anaya, Andrea, Victoria, Stalin, Donovan, thank you. Jaden, Javion, thank you. And good morning, Leonard. Good morning, Javion. Good morning, Chase. All right. All right. So now I'm going to take this same procedure and apply it here. Take a look at what's about to happen here. What? Wait, Weiss, we just had a number on the bottom. Now we have like x plus 10 on the bottom. Seriously, Weiss, come on. It's still easy, okay? Don't panic, all right? So here's what's gonna happen. All we're gonna do is just like we did in the last two problems. But instead of multiplying by a number, I'm gonna multiply by that whole mess on the bottom. I'm going to multiply by x plus 10. Okay? So I got to multiply this by x plus 10. So I got to multiply this by x plus 10. Okay? So here I go. I'm going to distribute, 5x plus, you know what? I'm going to do this. 5 times x plus 10 minus, all right? Now these guys cancel out, right? I'm going to put the 3x plus 2 in parentheses. You got to do that because that minus here, that is going to be distributed, right? Okay. Equals, distribute the x, x squared plus 10x. Okay. No problem. Distribute. Here we go. 5x plus 50 minus 3x, and that's going to be minus 2 equals x squared plus 10x. All right. Now, I'm going to go ahead and combine the like terms, right? So what am I talking about? I'm going to combine this guy with this guy. And I'm going to combine this guy, right, with that guy, okay? So 5x minus 3x gives me 2x. 50 minus 2 is 48. Equals x squared plus 10x. Remember how last time we had to have one side equal to 0, right? Otherwise, this isn't going to work. So I'm going to minus 2x from both sides. I get 48 equals x squared plus 8x. I'm going to minus 48 from both sides. I get 0 equals x squared plus 8x minus 48. Okay. Factor. 0 equals, what times what is x squared? X times x. What times what makes negative 48 that added together makes positive 8? Woo-wee. Plus 12 minus 4. 12 times negative 4 is negative 48. 12 minus 4 is 8. So I have two answers, right? X equals negative 12. X equals positive 4, right? Can I please have a thumbs up if we're okay there? That was a lot, I know, but it wasn't hard, right? Nakia, Hannah, Diana, Lindsay Bishop, Crystal, Anaya, thank you. Giovanni, thank you. Donovan, Leonard, Javion, Victoria, Chase, thank you. All right. Okay. Good. Because honestly, it won't get harder than this. All right. And and hopefully, I think you can agree it's not really hard. Okay. It's just Yes, there's a bunch of steps, okay? But it's not that bad, okay? Let's do the same thing again, okay? Oh my goodness. Actually, this one is easier. This one is easier. Like this one only had like one fraction in it, but this one has two. But look, if you think about it, when I multiply by x plus 1, right? I'm going to multiply by x plus 1 so I can cancel out the x plus 1s, right? Got to multiply every term by the x plus 1. And so what's happening? In this case, I only have to distribute once, right? I'm only distributing once over here. In the last problem, I had to distribute twice because my name is Weiss. Here, I'm only distributing once. So that's kind of nice, right, Weiss? Okay, I'm a poet and didn't even know it. All right, here we go. I've got x times x plus 1 minus, don't forget these parentheses here. This minus has to get distributed, okay? That's key. Equals just x, okay? So here we go. X squared plus x minus 2x minus 3 equals x. I'm going to combine this 1x with this minus 2x, okay? And I'm going to get x squared. 1x and minus 2x is negative 1x. I'm not going to write the 1 because I don't have to. Equals x, okay? Now, remember, I need one side to be equal to 0, right? All right. Minus x from both sides. Okay, you get x squared minus 2x minus 3 equals 0. Factor! What times what equals x squared? X times x. What times what makes negative 3? That added together makes negative 2. Okay. Negative 3 times positive 1, right? So what are we going to do? I'm going to give the answer. X equals positive 3. X equals negative 1. Easy like Sunday morning. May I have another thumbs up, please? We're still good. Thank you, Bishop. Hannah, thank you. Walter, Deanna, Diamond, Nakia, Lindsay, Crystal, Anaya, Hannah, Giovanni, thank you. Andrea, Stalin, Javion, Chase, good. Thank you. Thank you. How's it going over there, Kayla? Tamia, you guys feeling good over there? All right. All right. All right. I'm going to do another one. Having so much fun. I want to do another one. Oh my goodness, there it is again. Another same thing. Same thing. Okay. We're going to multiply by x plus 6. Multiply this by x plus 6. Multiply this by x plus 6. Okay. Right. So we have 3x times x plus 6 minus 7 equals 2x times x plus 6. Distribute, yum. 3x squared plus 18x minus 7 equals 2x squared plus 12x. All right, once again, one side needs to equal 0. Okay. Minus 2x squared from both sides. I get 1x squared plus 18x minus 7 equals 12x. All right. I'm going to minus 12x from both sides. I get x squared plus 6x minus 7 equals 0. Factor x times x. What times what makes negative 7? That added together makes positive 6. Well, that's going to be positive 7 times negative 1, which means my answer is x equals negative 7, x equals 1. Don't forget today when you do your Delta Math assignment that when you put in one answer like negative 7, you have to go to your keyboard on your desktop and hit the comma key in order to get another box to show up, right? To get the 1. All right. And you don't type x equals, you just type the numbers, okay? So I have what, 1, 2, 3. I have 4 more examples, but do you see how they're the same thing? I am very happy to do all 4 examples if you want, but I'm also happy to let you just start your thing. In fact, today is quiz 10. Now, I'm sorry, I'm really not a big fan of giving you yet another quiz. However, I did not do a good job this quarter about making more product grades. So because the quarter ends on Wednesday, I needed a 5th product grade, and that's going to be today. So my apologies for that. By the way, if you would like to take a picture, I'm going to give you like 10 seconds to take a picture of this. And here's this one. Take a picture number 5 also. All right. Okay. Now, I'm going to ask you to please start quiz 10 in Delta Math. All right. And please, if you want me to show a couple more examples of what I was just doing, I will show you more examples for anyone who wants to see. I'm going to ask you to please ask me questions if you get to a problem on today's quiz and you just forget how to do it. All right, I will walk you through it, okay? I'd like to see everyone get hundreds today. Everyone's been getting hundreds, but I want to make sure, I want you to get the highest possible grade this quarter. I want you to get the highest possible grade every quarter, All right, so rock and roll. And of course, as usual, I'm going to stay with you throughout. All right. And of course, as always, when you're done, I expect you to have a very nice weekend and say no to drugs. I have a question, by the way. Shouldn't I be a little frustrated? I've already had 3 students who have asked, can I still do my makeup work? Shouldn't that question bother me by now? Anyway, it bothered me. Jaden, quiz 10 on Delta Math today. So Kayla, this is how I roll. Generally, I take the first part of the period to do the lesson, and then I give the last part of the period for students to do the assignment. So, of course, you are welcome to stay, but I won't be doing any more like teaching of new material. If somebody has a question, I will absolutely teach a problem or walk them through a problem, but I generally am just hanging out at this point. So I just want to let you know that you are welcome to stay, but I won't be doing any more teaching of a lesson here. You too, Kayla. Have a good weekend. Say no to drugs. Hello, Abby. We're doing quiz 10 today in Delta Math. Good morning. Okay, Jaden, have a great weekend. Say no to drugs. Okay, Stalin, have a good weekend. Say no to drugs. Thank you. Sorry. Shivani, Diamond, have a good weekend. Say no to drugs. Okay, and I have a good weekend. Say no to drugs. Kia, have a good weekend. Say no to drugs. Huh? Victoria, have a good weekend. Say no to drugs. Chase, have a good weekend. Say no to drugs. Thanks. All right, Donovan, have a good weekend. Say no to drugs. You know what we'll do? We'll give you half a cup of that for lunch. Okay, folks, I'm going to end the meeting. Make sure you get your work done. Have a great weekend. Say no to drugs.